Hey guys, what's up, the Dimmy Gang? If I'm having an amazing day, you all should be having an amazing day. If I'm having an amazing day, you all should be having an amazing day. Are you having an amazing day today? Because I am. Well, guess who roasted Adam Saleh? I am mad. Adam Saleh's friend called Slim Vacations. Ugh, stupid. Like, so stupid. But I don't know why he would do that. So, I've decided to roast Adam. No, to roast Slim. Because he makes me so mad. Because I like Adam. He roasted Adam, so. You're 1 minute. Let me think of a rap. Roast, I mean. Your name is Slick Mitchell Cass. I am not gonna roast. I was not gonna roast you, but you said it to Adam, so I'm gonna roast you. So, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Your name is Slipper Kamasha Mixer. You look like someone from the ice did. And your hair doesn't even look right. Your ears are bigger than my head. Your belly is short. And you're a softie. Don't say I'm or Adam's a softie. Because you're a softie. Boo-hoo. So you shouldn't have done that. And when I go outside today, I'm gonna make everyone watch this video about roasting Adam Saleh. And your teeth look like mine. Look, teeth look like mine. Look. So your teeth have hair in them. Your teeth have gaps in them like that. You don't even have no teeth. You don't even have no. Well, you have teeth, but you only have. You smile like this. That's how you smile. Yeah, that's stupid. I don't even like you. I'm gonna unsubscribe to you if you say that again. Bye, girls. Bye, Adam. Hope this makes your day so much. Bye. And make sure you give it a turkey. Make sure you give it a like, turkey. And if this gets to 100,000 likes, I'll do another roast on whoever roasts Adam again. If it's Slim again, I'll do it again. Bye. Slim, that's for you.